Camels are mammals with long legs, a big lipped snout, and a humped back. There are two types of camels: dromedary camels, which have one hump, and Bactrian camels, which have two humps. Camels' humps consist of stored fat, which they can metabolize when food and water is scarce. In addition to their humps, camels have other ways to adapt to their environment. They have a third clear eyelid that protects their eyes from blowing sand. Two rows of long lashes also protect their eyes. Sand up the nose can be a problem, but not for camels. They can shut their nostrils during sandstorms. Humans have used camels as a means of transport for thousands of years. They can carry about 375 to 600 kilograms on their backs, according to National Geographic. This earned these beasts of burden a nickname, "Sheep of the Desert." Domestic camels are often the main source of meat, milk, and even leather or wool products. Most camels tower above human. A Bactrian camel grows to a shoulder height of 6 feet and a body length of 10 feet. They normally weigh 600 to 1000 kilograms when they are fully grown. Dromedary camels get up to about 2 meter tall at the shoulder and weigh 400 to 600 kilograms. Camels are not picky about what they eat. Their thick lips allow them to eat things that most other animals couldn't, such as thorny plants. Camels are herbivores, so you won't find them eating meat. Filling up on water when it's available is very important for camels. They can drink 30 gallons of water in just 13 minutes. Their bodies rehydrate faster than any other animal. When there is little food and water, the camel's hump fat releases water. The two types of camel are found in different parts of the world. The dromedary camel, also called an Arabian camel, can be found in North Africa and the Middle East. The Bactrian camel lives in Central Asia. No matter the type, camels are usually found in the desert. Many people think that camels only live in hot climates. They do well in temperature ranges from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Camels like to stay together in groups called herds. The herds are led by a dominant male, while many of the other males from their own herd called a bachelor herd. Camels are very social and like to greet each other by blowing in each other's faces. After a gestation period of 12 to 14 months, a mother camel will find a private spot to have her young. Female camels usually only have one baby, but sometimes camels have twins. Camels can run at 25 meters per hour for long periods. If their owner is in a hurry, they can kick their speed up to 40 meters per hour. The camel's hump is like a storage container. When camels use their stored fat, their hump will diminish. When they eat and drink again, the hump will refill with fat. Bactrian camels are a little bigger than dromedary camels. The world's largest meal included a roasted camel. It was served at an Arabic wedding feast. If you visit Abu Dhabi, you will be able to pick up a camel milkshake made with real camel milk. The milk has loads more vitamin C and iron than cow's milk and is very good for you. It is used in Kazakhstan to help treat illness such as tuberculosis. The only reason it has not made its way to the Western world is because the governments won't pay for testing processes. The Camel Mobile Library provides people in Kenya with literature. Camels are used to take books to areas which wouldn't otherwise have access to the library. The wild Bactrian camel is considered critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and has a population that is decreasing. In fact, wild camels are one of the most endangered large mammals. According to the Wild Camel Protection Foundation, there are fewer than 1000 wild camels alive.